Hey everyone, let's check what we have here today. We have the Makita DTW1002, the nut gun, and the problem with this one that it got some smoke out and now it's not working. Yeah, it's trying to do something but it cannot do anything. Okay, so now we need to open it. And we are opening this bad boy. Okay, what I want to see here, I want to see the field. And the field looks not bad. It looks good, but I have seen the smokes when I turned it off. Okay, I can feel the smell. I can see the smoke. Okay, we have the smoke here. We can see the smokes is coming from the field. So basically it will be the controller. Now I'm holding the switch. Okay, a lot of smokes here. Okay, now we can try to assemble this tool. We hold the controller unit, the spare one. Let's check we have the field. And can we see a difference? Here we can see the field holder is different, so we need a new field here. And that's good that I have the new field. Of course it's sad because this one is good. So the part number have changed for this controller unit. Okay, basically let's try to see how this one can be connected. I think the side up must be up, and this must be like that. I hope so. Of course I have ordered the new small screws. Okay, I think this one looks good. If it looks good for you, thumbs up. Okay. Now we need to go for the LED light, of course. like always, cannot separate it easily. Separated the LED light. Now I can connect it to the new controller model. Of course, what we have to replace is the switch. It's good that you can buy parts like that separately. Okay, so it's a white one, the pink one, or the red one, and the plug. If you can remember, the red one was on the left. And the white one was on the right. So now we have the free connection for our battery terminal. Okay, we have the negative, the battery control, and the positive. So the negative will be the black one, positive is the red one. Of course, the control wire will be the yellow one, the tiny one, and the smallest connection. I hope my video quality have improved. I have changed the camera. Yeah, I really hope that it's improved, because the camera costs fucking money. And now I need to put everything back in the housing. Okay, this wires, maybe I will put the fat ones first. Basically, I think it's no difference. Okay, these ones are banded together with a tape. You have flattened them, and now they fit. Just trying to get fit for everything in place. We have our camera casing. Just making sure it spins. So it spins, and why I like this Makita branch, because we have the space everywhere here, not like on the Milwaukee. It's my button cover. Try to close it to check if we don't have the big gaps on the housing. Now we don't have them, so I will join the housing. We have some plastic left on one of the screws. Now I can go for the hammer housing tightening. I always cannot find a good socket for these ones. Okay, it's time for our controller and the battery terminal to be put in place. They belong. As you can see, this one is moving. It must move here. Okay, we have assembled it. It looks good. We can move the armature with the anvil, and now we can test it. We have half charged battery. The controller is working. Okay, and later I will test on my car, of course. For now, just thank you for watching. Don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Bye.